This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable notifications on the Microsoft Edge web browser using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Microsoft Edge web browser. To enable or disable notifications, first thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner, down to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to tap on that. Then you want to go to where it says Settings and tap on Settings. Then you'll scroll down just a little ways to where you see it says Notifications and tap on Notifications. And right up top here it says Allow Notifications. As you can see, I have mine toggled off, but to enable it you would just toggle it on. Then down below that you could choose which things that you want to have notifications on by toggling them on or off. But to disable notifications, you just toggle off the top thing up here. That is how to enable or disable notifications on the Edge web browser using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.